Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check location history in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to check location history in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon over here. For us, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner, and its kind of interface will appear where you can see your timeline settings is available for us over here just below your profile. Tap on your timeline, and if you have not enabled these settings, guys, first you'll be required to go through the settings of your timeline over here. Now you can view your location history over here. Currently it's showing today only, but you can choose your location history of a particular date from over here. Or if you go back on this interface, you can see the three dotted icon at the right side of the place which I visited today. Tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of this place, and this kind of interface will appear. And if I tap on the see all visits, all of my location history throughout the time will be shown to me over here. You can see, and you can view more, and you'll be able to view all of your visits over here. If you tap on it, you'll also be able to see the details of that visit. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to check location history on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.